Hi, my name's Stacey, the maintenance manager from Eightfold Property, and today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of having your boilers serviced on a regular basis. As a landlord, there's a legal responsibility to carry out a gas safety check annually on your boilers. I keep getting asked by landlords, why should we pay extra for servicing of our boilers? Although an annual service on your boiler isn't a legal requirement, it will validate the manufacturer's warranty. It will increase the efficiency and the reliability of the product. The best time to get your boiler serviced is the summertime. This will allow you time to book appointments, avoiding the cold snap when boilers predominantly break down and cause issues when boiler engineers are extremely busy. Leaving boiler servicing to the winter will incur emergency breakdown costs, call-out charges, disruption to tenants' lives and complaints. Much the same as a car, a boiler needs a regular service. Regular servicing of your boiler will save you money because the cost of servicing compared to the cost of breakdowns, emergency call-out fees, etc. will be way less. As we know, carbon monoxide is a silent killer. Having your boiler regularly serviced will reduce the chances of carbon monoxide leaks from your boiler. So just to recap, having your boiler serviced annually will reduce costs, improve reliability and increase safety. I'm Stacey from Eightfold Property. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.